Sanibulani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, yes, sometimes being a quiet person doesn't help. Even if nje udaliwe unjalo, you're a quiet person, sometimes you must learn to open up your mouth because there are some people who will jump all over your head because umuntu othulile nje. And I'm talking about umalume kaThemba from his mother's side, uThemba kaBridget, the uncle who's a sangoma from, from the Maseko family. Am I the only one who realized that uncle is normally like aganandlela yokhuluma when he's speaking to uThemba's dad, just because uThemba's dad is a quiet man, and I don't like it, guys. In this episode, he's busy telling ubaba kaThemba, which no, as a family bona, they want 2 more cows. I was so irritated, guys, because I feel like even if you've got a request that is like that, why aren't you explaining what are the 2 extra cows for? Because umalume kaThemba, he's not explaining, he's just saying with wena, you only took out 1 cow and Tina, we want 2 more cows. What's the other 2 more cows for? Because according to ubaba kaThemba, he was requested to take out 1 cow for uhlawula ingane, and he did that waqeda. Manje years back, why umalume is coming to make requests like that, and that time he's coming to make requests uhamba ayi-1, and he didn't even notify ubaba kaThemba so that maybe there can be families who can sit this down and note these changes or note what the Maseko family is asking of this family. And then he's even speaking to him in a way ingathi like agamboni. At some point umalume kaThemba even stands up with his feet busy talking. Uyambona ukuthi nje he's irritated. I'm just like, in another man's house, standing on your feet talking in such a disrespectful manner. And ubaba kaThemba just kept quiet, guys. He just kept quiet. That's why I'm just like, when you are a quiet person, sometimes you must just show people, like put people in their places. Because angazi, I don't like what umalume kaThemba is doing to ubaba kaThemba. And I feel like even with the lobola negotiations, there's a bit of an undermining thing that's going on. Almost as if the Maseko family still feel like uThemba is their child. Maybe because uThemba didn't change the surname as yet. Angazi. But I feel like, guys, there's a proper manner of sitting down and speaking through things. Especially if a man is humble like ubaba kaThemba. Like, why uza ngerasi? Why you wanna fight or be rude to a person who is so calm kanje? Like, I don't get it. Anyway, okay, guys, let's talk about uTamara. Tamara's son was celebrating his birthday, and uTamara decided to have a birthday celebration for him. Apparently, manje, uTamara's son invited uBianca. uBianca is the sister that uTamara took to court, and is the sister who is still getting along with uSithi despite uTamara not being with uSithi. So apparently, Tamara's son invited uBianca to the birthday party, and I just felt like uBianca unedrama. Because what did Bianca decide to do? She decides to call uSithi and says, hey, listen, I'm going to the birthday party. Come with me, my brother-in-law. Brother-in-law anjani when ehlukene no Tamara. She's busy saying to uSithi, no, phela wena, you the father of those kids. I'm like, yes, uBianca. I don't care, guys, no matter how much you don't get along with your family, you don't suddenly become besties with someone now who's an enemy of your sister. Like, I even felt like if uBianca truly had good intentions towards uTamara's son, towards uTamara, and really wanted to lungisa things, she wouldn't have pitched up at that birthday party. Even if the son had invited her nephew, she could have said, you know what, I'm gonna make it up to you. I'm gonna take you out, me and you, because she knows ukuthi yena no Tamara abazwana. Angithi uyazi uBianca ukuthi Tamara uyasangana. So when uNokuzana uBianca pitches up there, obviously it's gonna cause a commotion and ruin her nephew's birthday. So if she truly had good intentions, she was not going to show up there. Worse, why would she even want to show up with uSithi? Even if angathi that she wanted to go and fix things, the birthday party was not the place to try and fix things, no Tamara. Yeah, guys, when Utamara saw Bianca walk into the venue, she was like my arch enemy. What does this girl want from me? Hey, Utamara, guys, when she saw Siti come in, and worst thing, when Usiti came in, guys, Bianca gets up and hugs him. For what? So already it's giving the vibes that they're doing this to spite Utamara. Yo, guys, Utamara goes crazy. She starts swearing, hey, when Siti, you finished my cookie juices. Yo, you a drug addict. Hey, guys, Utamara tukana. Hey, you two, you're probably doing lines together. Siti is an abuser, he's a cheater, he's a drug addict. He ate my children's sasa money. Yo, guys, Utamara's daughter was even trying to calm down Utamara. And I felt like Utamara, for the sake of her son, she shouldn't have pulled the stunt. Or I don't know whether to call it a stunt or what, but she shouldn't have done that. She should have chosen to be the bigger person for the sake of her son. She could have just even got up and went to a different venue or excused herself altogether. But that drama and that commotion, hi Tamara. Usiti Yena, the last time when he met up with Utamara, it ended bad. So I don't know what he's doing here. I don't know how he's even stepfathering these kids when already he's struggling to father his own kids. Anyway, guys, the core drama of the episode, Upindile and Themba's drama. Listen, the families have decided, or actually, Upindile's uncle, Umalumtepo, asked for a family meeting between the families. And listen, I was even annoyed, like a family meeting yant on, because clearly Uthemba no Pindile abazwani. These people are not even married. Guys, if I was an elder in any of these families, I would have not pitched. I'm sorry. Even if I was Upindile herself, I was not going to show up to this meeting. For what? What are we going to speak about today that we already don't know? We already know Uthemba's family is dysfunctional. They can't even kuza one another amongst themselves. Tina Sizotini as an outsider family. But one thing that I learned, guys, you know what? Be careful of some family members who say that they love you, but when they are present in your life, guys, kuba khona nje chaos. Uthemba's story, guys, is so sad because you know what? I've always said in Uthemba and Upindile's story, none between the two are innocent. But listen, the way Uthemba has changed and flipped over these past 3 episodes, he's changed Upindile into a saint at this point. The sad part is that Uthemba, guys, ebenes dimanyana, the previous season on Makoti Oyu, the one in other episodes, ebenes dimaman, Uthemba was a type of person where, yes, he'd get mad, but he was a person obonisekayo, a person that can reason. But now, guys, Upenduke nje is denge. He's just like, I don't understand. I'm just like, Themba, you telling me you letting such a grown man come into your life and ruin your life, kanje? Worse, guys, this person who's ruining his life, his brother, Uzingisile is married. Uthemba yena, he was working towards that goal of being married. So you can't tell me, guys, even if Uzingisile felt like Upindile is not the one for Uthemba, he would advise Uthemba to construct himself in a properly manner so that if there's a potential wife who is watching there, they can say, yeah, this man, Uthemba, he's a husband material. You know what? Upindile fumbled. No, we can't even say that. In fact, we just feel like Uthemba will never find a woman or passion there who will settle down with him after the way he acted since Uzingisile has been in his life. Angazi, guys, what got into Uthemba? People are even assuming, uyabona lo Zingisile who's busy saying that Upindile udlise Uthemba. There's no such thing. Uzingisile yena kanye odlise Uthemba. Because, guys, the way Uzingisile has had so much influence over Uthemba over such a short period of time. But even as indoda, that is scary. It can't be, guys, that another man can have such influence over you over such a short period of time. That's how Muzingisile Yana, he goes back to his wife. Everything is fine. Yana Uthemba is left in chaos. Guys, remember, Uthemba aganabazali. When you look, nje Uzingisile doesn't have a good relationship with his family. Why? Because uyadelela. There was even an episode where Uzingisile was meeting up with one of his uncles, and he was saying that, yeah, now he loves the family, but the family distances themselves from him. So I feel like Uzingisile is going to do the same thing to Uthemba. Make Uthemba feel like this family doesn't love you because they supported you with Uphindile the way. Even speaking up for Uphindile, because that's what Uthemba believes. Uthemba is going to be left with no one. That's why I'm saying, guys, be careful of people who say that they love you, but nje indaba ezisayo empilweni yakho is chaos. Uzingisile is such an embarrassment, guys. Imagine there's no one in your family who can get through to you. Like, that is embarrassing, guys. He keeps saying, Tina as Amakengenene, whatever that surname is, that he's trying to protect his family name. No, in fact, he has brought such disrepute and embarrassment to that family name by the way he is handling himself and handling this whole situation. When that family meeting started, he walked in and said, Molweni bo Jutasi, no Petrosi. Like, really? He's such an instigator. Like, nje, he went into that meeting with zero intentions of ukulungisa izinto. Never mind ukulungisa izinto, but to part ways in peace. He did not care about that. In fact, when Umalum Tepo was speaking there, Uthemba no zinga wings wakhe, they were busy giggling like school children. When Uantiga Themba is busy talking there, speaking in a respectful manner to say Uti, both Uphindile and Uthemba has had issues in their relationship that were beyond us as families. Uthemba's busy saying that no, Auntie, she's worshipping the crown that Uphindile is working on. I'm just like, Themba, since when has this been you? Like, you don't even have the capacity to reason and think that your aunt is trying to reclaim the small dignity that your family had by the way she's speaking about this matter. Like, it even got to a point where auntie was even banging tables because of Uzingisile Beno Themba. The way, guys, they were just so uncouth. It got to the part where Uzingisile is busy asking, why is Uthandi even part of this meeting, the same Thandi that made Uthemba Benophindile fight. Now, there were some viewers who felt like, hi Nyani, Uthandi, she's always there. What is she doing in this meeting? Like, Uthandi is the cause of this whole thing. Guys, don't put blame on Uthandi. Yes, I do feel like Uphindile shouldn't have invited Uthandi, which is her ex-sister-in-law, to a birthday party Themba, but still, Uthemba's reaction does not match the crime, you guys. And you know what? This whole situation made me think, guys, it's so important to have boundaries in your life. Listen, Uthemba is kinda, Angazi, I think he has an insecurity of thinking that Uphindile is struggling to let go of her past, or maybe she still has feelings for her ex-husband, and hence she is still besties with her ex-sister-in-law. But I don't think that's the case, guys. I just have a belief that if when as umuntu wesifazane or umuntu wesilisa, you decide to date someone and you find people, prominent figures in that person's life, guys, you have to respect that. You can't be that boss yomuntu or figure empilweni yomuntu and you start canceling people out. Lo makahambe, this one must stay, this one. No, guys, you don't know how far those people have carried your partner throughout life. Manje, because so figure when people must leave, people must, yes, there must be boundaries, and yes, they must respect you as the current partner, but you can't be saying that they mustn't be friends anymore, they mustn't. No, guys, I feel like that's inappropriate. I'm even thinking now, Abanga, if Uphindile decided to distance herself from her ex-sister-in-law, Uthandi, and decided to say, no, Thandi, because I'm in a relationship now, and because when you are the sister of my ex-husband, we can't be friends anymore, when I just remain as u-aunt, u-abantwana. Guys, where would Uphindile be right now? Because uThemba now, look at the way he's acting. So uPhindile would have lost a best friend just because of indoda who's feeling insecure. Naye ke both uThemba benoPhindile. Why did they decide to rush into a relationship when this whole divorce thing or this breakup thing was so fresh? Because it's clear uPhindile was not ready for a relationship and it was going to be too much for uThemba to ask uPhindile to let uThandi go. I mean, uPhindile lost her husband. She lost so much. So to ask her to now lose another thing that is close to her heart is a lot, guys. So I kind of feel like, guys, sometimes know when to put your foot down. Just the way your friends and family must also accept and welcome your partner, whether they like him or not, whether they like her or not. Your partner must also learn to accept important people in your life, whether they like them or not, as long as boundaries are reserved, guys. Towards the end of that meeting, uZingisile, he's going all up in uPhindile's face. He's saying that they must give him a hug, forcing them practically. And uMaLuMthemba was eventually getting irritated because he was saying, move from Pumendleleni zethu, because you can see these women don't want to hug you. Like, leave us alone. uZingisile busy being stubborn. uMalume ended up pushing uZingisile. uThemba went crazy. But guys, Themba got up. He's willing to fight uMaLuMthemba now, all because uZingisile got a push. And I'm just like, but you were not calling uZingisile to come and sit down when he's all up in uThandi and uPhindile's face. That one is fine. I'm just like, clearly in this situation, uThemba udlisiwe and udlisiwe ngulo uZingisile. Anyway, guys, I can't wait for the reunion. Kuzoshuba, guys, and I know uZingisile is going to be there. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.